Welcome back to the morning show. Senior BCCI Counsel PS Raman met BCCI President N. Srinivasan to discuss the implications of the Supreme Court observations. Sources close to the developments say that Srinivasan may not step down and instead try a legal escape route once again. This after the Supreme Court had asked Srinivasan to vacate his post to allow a fair investigation into the IPL fixing scandal.
BCCI boss N. Srinivasan's 48-hour deadline to step down is nearing an end. Being told to step down or face an order, Srinivasan going into a huddle with his close aides. Yet there is no clarity emerging over Srinivasan's final decision.
I had a courtesy visit. Mr. Srinivasan has had a cataract eye surgery this morning. I just came to visit.
Did you discuss about
nothing more. Nothing more right now.
Is he stepping down, sir?
It was a courtesy call.
Is he stepping down, sir?
Even though Srinivasan's lawyer did not make public what was discussed in the meeting, Times Now has learned that Srinivasan was made aware of all the possible implications of the Supreme Court's observations and also the options available before him.
On Tuesday, the Supreme Court had come down hard on Srinivasan, terming the situation in the BCCI nauseating, questioning why the BCCI boss was sticking to his chair. Times Now has learned that the BCCI is now ready with its strategy to counter the observations. The BCCI will accept the Mudgal report recommendations and welcome any investigation by any authority, and also argue why Srinivasan can continue as the president.
Finally, the ball again in the BCCI's court. Yet again they have to answer on BCCI top boss N. Srinivasan's role in the entire continuation at the helm of affairs when the IPL match-fixing scandal and investigation is continuing.
But it all boils down to how the BCCI argues on the contents of the sealed envelope, as the Apex Court demanded answers on why Srinivasan must continue. In view of the shocking allegations made in the probe report, material so sensitive that the Supreme Court deems it not fit to be revealed in open court. Support for Srinivasan within the BCCI is fast dwindling. 3 senior vice presidents want Srinivasan to abide with the Supreme Court observations, and former chiefs have spoken out in one voice against the BCCI boss.
I think Supreme Court has given the order. I'm sure he'll follow the orders of Supreme Court.
Do you think, sir, he should by now, because he has been very stiff in his stance? Now is the time.
I think Supreme Court has done so. Let him now obey the Supreme Court. That is all that I have to say about it.
BCCI is more important than an individual. So therefore, individuals don't matter. You have to maintain the integrity of the institution. That is very important.
A defiant Srinivasan has managed to cling on to his post in the past. But with a 2-judge bench of the Supreme Court set to decide his fate, all escape routes for the BCCI boss are closing down. Sports Bureau, Times Now.